In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add background music in Google Slides. If you want your presentation to feel more polished, a subtle soundtrack can set the mood, guide your audience's attention, and smooth transitions between ideas. Let's walk through the exact settings you need so your audio plays cleanly and consistently. Start by opening your presentation in Google Slides and make sure you're on the slide where you want the music to begin. This is important because your playback settings will reference the slide you're currently working on. Next, go to the Insert menu at the top and choose Audio. Google Slides pulls audio directly from Google Drive, so you'll be picking a file that's already stored there. In the file picker, select the audio you want and click Select. If you're collaborating with others or presenting to a group, remember that anyone viewing the slides needs permission to the audio file in Drive. Otherwise, they won't hear it during playback. Once you select the file, a small speaker icon appears on your slide. This is the control for that audio. Click and drag it to a corner so it doesn't cover any important content. You can resize the icon if you want it to be more discreet. Its size doesn't change the sound, it just affects how noticeable the control looks on the slide. With the audio icon selected, open Format Options on the right. In the panel, expand Audio Playback. This is where you tell slides exactly how the music should behave. Choose Automatically so the track starts the moment the slide appears. This keeps your delivery smooth and avoids having to click anything during your talk. If you want the music to continue while you move through your deck, check Play across slides. That way, your soundtrack won't stop when you advance to the next slide. If you only want the music on the starting slide, simply leave that option unchecked. While you're in the Audio Playback panel, consider lowering the volume slider so the music supports your voice rather than competing with it. A softer bed of sound tends to work best for narration and ensures your message stays front and center. That's all you need. With the audio set to play automatically and, if desired, across slides, your presentation will start with music and maintain continuity as you advance. Keep your icon tucked away, choose a track that suits your topic, and you'll add a professional touch without distracting from your content.